In this video, I teach you how to make your own AI image generator website. Just submit here image prompt, then create your own any kind of image. Just use many AI company, then you create your own AI image. I give you premium source code, then you create your own professional AI website. You also get many features or functionality like content creation, content analyze, visual studio. This is the image generator option, then video studio. Yes, you get just only one website, then you create AI video maker and text to video. This is the very good option. Then AI avatar or AI persona. Okay, I will share with you premium PHP script, then create your own voice studio you get, and you get AI conversational tools, then marketing tools, influencer tools, then system management. As you can see, this is the user dashboard. You use this premium source code, then just you one click or 1 minute, then create your own AI system website. This is the user panel. User click on the update, then his purchase premium package. You sell this premium package, then you lot of earn money. This is a very good option because this is a SaaS budget. Now I will discuss with you admin panel. As you can see, you already view user panel. I hope like this user panel. Now I'm going to admin panel. I'm going to admin panel. Just click on login. Then I'm now click on the admin. This is my admin panel. You control your AI website, everything features or functionality using this admin panel. I will discuss with you how works this admin panel. As you can see, you get many features or functionality. Control your AI website. As you can see, you get many tools or functionality or feature section. I hope you like this premium PHP script because we will use this premium PHP script then create our AI professional website. As you can see, this is our website homepage design. I have like this homepage design because this homepage design is very professional. So you watching this full video, then create your own AI image generator or content generator or AI only one solution website. Then you get lot of earn money, generate lot of earn money. So watching this full video because now I will discuss with you step by step how to make like this website. Now you need premium PHP script to create your own image generator website or complete AI SaaS project. We will use this premium PHP script, then create our AI image generator website. Check the video description because I will give you of this PHP script discount link in the video description. You get lifetime update version or lifetime developer support. So you purchase this PHP script one time, then use in your website lifetime. Now I will discuss with you step by step how to purchase of this premium PHP script. Now click on the add to cart, then click on the go to checkout. Now you need CodeCanon account or Ingloto account. You use very easily create account using Google, Apple or Facebook, or you use in your own email. Just submit your first name, last name, email or password, then click on the create account and continue. I'm already create my CodeCanon account, so I am now login my account. For this, I'm submit my account information here. Now submit here your own billing details. As you can see, I'm submit my already billing details. So I'm now click on this save and continue. As you can see, now you purchase of this premium PHP script using your own banking card or use your own PayPal account. You get two international payment method, banking card or PayPal. I'm now use my banking card, then purchase of this premium PHP script. For this, I'm submit here my banking card. As you can see, I'm already submitted my banking card information. Now click on the pay securely. Wow, as you can see, our payment is successful. We will successfully purchase of this premium PHP script. Now go to download section. Now download your PHP script all file. For this, click on the download button, then download all files and documentation, then download license certificate and purchase PDF, then download license certificate and purchase code txt. Okay, you must download 3 file. As you can see, now I am already download 3 file. You must download like this 3 file. Now you need best domain and hosting to publish your AI image generator website online. My personal advice, you purchase domain and hosting from Namecheap website, because Namecheap website give you best hosting. This hosting help your website super fast loading speed. Check the video description, because I will give you Namecheap website discount link in the video description. Please check video description, then get your discount offer. You can find all type of hosting server on this Namecheap website. Now we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs. And you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here you can see 3 wonderful packages. You can choose any package from here and purchase it, no problem. However, my personal advice is that you should definitely purchase the Stellar Business package or number 3 package, because in this package you get automatic backup and cloud storage, which is very important for every website. Also, you get a free domain with this package. Now we will purchase the 3 package or Stellar Business package. For this, we have to click on the Get Started button. Now we can choose a new domain for free. For this, you will need to enter any domain name of your choice here. Here you can see that you can get this domain absolutely free. You can choose any domain of your choice. Then we will connect this domain to our hosting. Now we need to click on the Add to Cart button. We must confirm the order. Now we need to create an account on Namecheap. For this, we need to submit the correct account information here. We have submitted the information correctly. Now we need to click on the create account and continue button. Then we have to submit our own address here step by step. You must submit your own address here step by step. Now we need to click on the continue button. Then we will select here. Now we will click on the continue button again. We can purchase domain hosting using various international automatic payment method. For example, you can pay through PayPal, or you can pay through various type of international card and various cryptocurrency. Now we will learn how to make payment via banking card. For this, we need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the continue button. Now we need to confirm terms and condition of the Namecheap website. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking the pay now button. We have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. So let's go to main dashboard of our hosting panel. Then we will go to hosting list section. Now we can easily log in to cPanel by clicking on this button. As you can see, this is our cPanel dashboard. Now I will discuss with you step by step how to install your PHP script in your cPanel or hosting panel, then publish your AI image generator website online, then you generate lot of earn money. Now I'm going to file manager, because we will upload our PHP script file. Now go to public HTML folder. This is our main directory folder, because we will upload our PHP script zip file in this public HTML folder. Now go to upload section. Then I'm now going to downloaded folder. As you can see, we will download already 3 file. Now extract this zip file. I'm now extract this zip file. Now go to extract folder. As you can see, this is our install zip folder. We will upload this zip folder in our hosting panel or cPanel. Now I'm going to click on the select file, then go to extract folder. Now upload this install zip file. As you can see, our zip file is uploading. Now our zip file uploading is complete. Now click on the go back to, then extract this zip file. You can see our zip file extract is complete. Now delete this zip file. Now enter your domain in your browser. As you can see, our PHP version is problem because we will change our PHP version in this cPanel. You select PHP 8.10 version. For this, go to your cPanel dashboard, then find out PHP version. As you can see, you go to PHP, select PHP version section. As you can see, now our PHP version requirement PHP version is PHP 8.1. Now select PHP 8.1 version, then click on the apply. Now reload your browser. Okay, our problem is solved. Now click on the start with checking requirement. Okay, our requirement all okay. Now click on the check permission. As you can see, our once permission is error env. Now go to your file manager, public HTML folder, then find out env. As you can see, our env file is hidden. Just click on the settings section and then click on the show hidden files, and now click on the save. Okay, as you can see, our env file is show. Now select your mouse right button, then click on the change permission. Now select all permission like 777. Okay, as you can see, our permission is 777. So now click on the save change permission. Now reload your browser. Okay, our error is solved. Now click on the verify Ingbato purchase code. Now submit here your Ingbato purchase code. Now you must submit here your Ingbato account username or CodeCanon username. Now your question, how to find out purchase code? Just go to your downloaded folder, then open txt file. Now copy this. Now copy this purchase code. Okay, and then paste here. Then click on the purchase verify code. Okay, our purchase is verification is complete. Now submit here your cPanel database information step by step. Now I will discuss with you how to create your database in the cPanel section. For this, find out database section. Now go to database widget, then submit here database name. I am submitting database name data. Now click on the next step. Now submit here database username. I am enter here database username user data. Now I am use password generator. Copy this password, then paste here password section. Yes, I am use this password. Now click on the create user. Now copy this username and then paste here username section. Then copy database name and then paste here database name section. Okay, now we will connect username and database name. For this, click on the all probabilities, then click on the make change. Okay, complete. Now click on the create database. This is our installation process is running our website. Please wait some time. Now enter here admin login information. Submit here your name, then submit here admin login email. Now enter here password. Then click on the create user. Now click on the login. Then I am now going to website homepage. As you can see, our image generator or AI complete website is ready. Now complete your search project or your earning generator website is completely ready. Okay, now when you log in our website admin panel, then you customize your website step by step. For this, click on the login. Now submit here admin login information. We will submit already our admin login information. I hope you understand. Now submit here password, then click on the signing. As you can see, this is our admin panel. You control your website everything, features or functionality using this admin panel. At first you go to configuration section, then go to AI preference, because this is the most important. Is in this section submit here open AI key, and then you submit many AI company API key, then active your website. Okay, then you block bad words. Okay, you must be connected your website many company API. This is the most very important. Then go to general setting, then you change your website like name or short name or everything, like information, logo or favicon, you change everything. Then go to preference section, then you change here date format or many important feature functionality. Then go to system configuration section. In this section, this is the most very important, like maintenance and in disable it's because our website all okay. Then you add here multiple language, then you change redirect URL, just open, and then you change your site redirect URL. Then you go to manage provider, then you, as you can see, you configure all provider, as you can see, like video, image or everything. This is the most very important. You just image or video, you configure this is the most very important. Okay, you configure all. Then features preference, as you can see, you customize everything. As you can see, chat bot, marketing bot, social media. Then go to accounts setting, you control your website every account, everything, feature or functionality. You just go to configuration section, then you get most very important website, most very important all features functionality. Then go to tools section, as you can see, you actor tools important, this import this. Okay, I hope you understand. You control everything, your website features or functionality using this admin panel. You study step by step in this admin panel. Then you create subscription plans, marketing, set up website homepage, change your website homepage design page or everything. I hope you understand. If you any question, please comment us or please contact us, because I will help you how to customize your website, everything, features or functionality. Check the video description because I will give you my all contact information. Thank you so much for watching this full video. You create like this AI image generator website, then you lot of earn money.